Hi, everyone. Today, we're taking a big step toward making our communities stronger and safer for everyone. We're going to talk about what it means to act as an ally, not just in words, but in actions that help others feel supported and included. An ally is someone who takes action to support and advocate for others, especially those who might feel excluded or face challenges. Acting as an ally can make a big difference in helping others feel respected, included, and safe. Today, we're going to take what we've learned about being allies and use it to help others in our community. Think about groups of people you could support, maybe younger students, new classmates, or neighbors. Let's brainstorm together. We'll start by thinking about groups in our community who might need extra support. For example, younger students at school might feel nervous about trying new activities. How can we act as allies to help them feel confident and included? Here's an idea. You could create a project to help younger students learn and feel safe. Maybe it's organizing a buddy reading program, teaching them a game at recess, or helping them practice something they're learning in class. What other ideas do you have? In your groups, think about a way you can partner with a group in your school or community. Design a project together that helps them feel supported and contributes to a positive emotional climate. Once your projects are planned, share them with the class. Remember, the goal is to show how being an ally can make a real difference in creating a safer and more inclusive community. Great work today, everyone! By acting as allies, we're not just helping others, we're building a stronger, more caring community. I can't wait to see the amazing projects you'll create and the positive impact you'll make. Thanks for learning with me today. Remember, being an ally starts with small actions that can lead to big changes. Let's keep making our community a safer, more supportive place for everyone.
See you next time.